Hello, beautiful soul. Today we can do angelic meditation. Welcome to my channel. I am Trupti Shah, your guide on this transformative journey to self love and healing. Today we are diving into the divine and soothing world of angelic healing meditation. If you have been feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or simply seeking a moment of peace, this practice will help you connect with the loving energy of angels and bring healing to your mind, body, and spirit. Grab a quiet spot, light a candle if you would like it. Let's begin this magical journey experience together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more uplifting content. Before we begin, let's set a powerful intention for this meditation. So, close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Think of an area in your life where you need guidance or healing. It could be your health, relationship, or career. Imagine handing this concern over to your angels, trusting in their divine love and wisdom. Repeat these affirmations after me. I am open to receiving divine healing and guidance from my angels. Feel the warmth of this intention surrounding you like a protective light. So, repeat 3 times. I am open to receiving divine healing and guidance from my angels. I am open to receiving divine healing and guidance from my angels. Now let's begin the meditation. Keep your eyes closed and continue breathing deeply. Visualize a radiant white light descending from the heaven. This is the angelic realm, filled with love and healing energy. See this light entering the top of your head, flowing through your entire body and filling every cell with peace and divine energy. Now imagine an angel standing before you. This angel is here to support you with unconditional love. Feel their presence, a warm glow, a soft touch, or even a gentle whisper of reassurance. If you know the name of specific angel like Archangel Raphael or Archangel Michael for healing, for protection, you can call upon them. Say, Archangel Raphael, I welcome your healing energy into my life. So take a moment to share your thoughts, worries, and desires with your angels. Imagine them listening with a compassionate smile and offering you a gift, a symbol of their guidance. This gift could be a flower, a light, or a word of wisdom. So connect with your angels. I am giving you some time for that, and listen to the background music with your meditation, connecting with your angel. So now you connect with your angel and take the guidance from them. And as we come to the end of this meditation, take a deep breath in and out. Feel the angelic light still surrounding you, knowing that it will remain with you throughout your day. Slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing yourself back to the present moment. And when you are ready, open your eyes and smile, carrying this sense of peace and healing with you. Rub your hand and take the warmth in your palm and just tap it on the eyes, head, and whole body. Thank you for joining me in this angelic healing meditation. Remember, the angels are always here to guide and support you. You just need a call upon them. If this meditation brought you peace, please share it with someone who could use a little light in their life. Until next time, stay blessed, stay loved, and keep shining. Bye for now.